How to create multiple Telegram accounts. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to add or create multiple accounts on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening the app, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to create multiple accounts, tap onto settings at the bottom right here, select it. Then here you can find my profile, now tap on it. Then here you can find edit option at the top right corner, now select it. Then scroll down and here you can find add another account, just right here, now select it. Now to add another account, simply add the phone number and simply tap on to continue. And after doing that, you will simply create another account and do the same process to create multiple accounts on the Telegram. And that's it. This is how you can create multiple Telegram accounts. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.